Children in a Montessori Early Childhood classroom truly enjoy pouring work. The best part about pouring is that the work is versatile and can be introduced easily at home. Hello everyone, this is Divya here from Trend Brand Preschool in association with International Montessori Teacher Training Institute. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the lesson plan to help our preschoolers learn pouring. To introduce this lesson, we need the following materials: a Montessori tray, 2 identical jugs, rice or lentils. This exercise can be given for children about 2 years. To introduce this lesson, ask the child to go to the shelf and remove the tray and walk carefully to the table. Lift the pitcher carefully with the right hand fingers grasping the handle and the index and third fingers supporting the spout. Now, gently transfer the grains from one jug to another one. You could also reverse the movements with pouring the right pitcher back to the left pitcher. Ask the child if he would like to take a turn. Repeat this exercise and make sure that the child pours the grains from one container to another. Once the child completes the activity, return the tray back to the shelf. We could also give an opportunity for the child to transfer it into different containers. For example, here I've taken a jar and a bowl. Pouring also helps children learn about the concept of capacity. The purpose of this exercise is to help the child develop the skill of pouring. Indirectly, we also help the child gain coordination of movements and develop concentration. According to Dr. Maria Montessori, practical life is a beautiful introduction to Montessori works. Children truly take to the repetition and the focus required to complete a work cycle. If you'd like to know more about the diploma courses, please contact us on the mentioned numbers. You could also write us an email to trainbrain.education@gmail.com. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, it's bye from Divya.